square building over there is the CupNoodles Museum. So all about cup of noodle, everybody's favorite go-to food. So let's go check it out. So you need to scan your little card here to get in. They have apps for your phone that you can get an audio guide. And noodles galore! Look, from Oliver. Then there is, of course, chicken ramen. It started here with this little guy in 1958. This is the cup of noodle factory. We get to actually choose our cups. We must clean our hands. So we have to go get our table. We've got our markers now. Here's my cup of noodle. We can decorate them however we want. We can color. Okay, so I'm gonna write my name on my cup. They're going to put noodles in your cup. But you need to have your toppings. So, you gotta choose. Place your cup of noodle in the care package. This is a replica of the one he made the first ramen in. There it is, chickens. And this is where the creative genius did his work. This small little place, yet he made such an amazing food. This is a room to think outside of the box, how things were actually invented. They started with an idea and then invented something amazing. So finally it went on sale in 1958 and it was a smashing hit. Of course, a lot of people wanted to try to copy him, but were never as successful. They have a noodle bazaar on the 4th floor, and it's so cute. Look at this. It looks like a little Asian market. And of course, the gift shop.